right, guys, this is going to be the recording for Monday, March 8th, and we are going over dominant and recessive traits. And so this is not an amplify, it's kind of an outside amplify extension here. And so I have a little video clip here that goes over some dominant and recessive traits, and there's some cool things that you might not have even realized, like height and like crisscrossing your hands, like which thumb is over when you lock your hands together and things like that. And so you can see, you can look at all these, size of your nose, how your eyebrows look. All of these things are dominant or recessive, dimples, freckles. And so I wanted you to kind of take all this and look at these charts, watch that video clip, and then tell me 3 dominant traits that you have and 3 recessive traits that you have. And then down here, there is another video clip, and this is on Mendel's pea plants. And Gregor Mendel is kind of the scientist who is credited with kind of discovering some of the ideas behind genetics and how traits are passed from parent to offspring and all those things that we've been learning. And so that is an interesting clip, and it goes into alleles, which is something we haven't really talked about, and genotype and phenotype, and then kind of segues into Punnett squares, which is something we are going to do on Tuesday. So it's a good little intro to those Punnett squares. And so that is today's lesson, kind of short and sweet, but it's a good intro and kind of gives us a base to dive into some Punnett squares tomorrow.